Okay, Pankil, I think that we can start maybe.
Okay. We can wait a couple of more minutes that we start.
Yeah. Okay.
So Dylan, I'm going to start now, and you just please keep check on whoever is entering. You just have to permit them by just checking the dialog box on the right side.
Okay.
I just start off with my presentation. Hello everyone, very good evening. This is Pankil Ahuja, handling the sales of Claypaky business in India and subcontinent, and along with me I have Dylan, who is our product specialist, a sales support engineer from Claypaky, Italy, directly for you at your disposal, both of us today at our presentation for the live overview of Axcor LED family, where we're going to present Axcor 600 and 900 and their features. So let's start. I just want to take you through the little introduction of Claypaky, as most of you know that what Claypaky is, and since we are present from almost 4 decades now. So we are expert in the rock and roll market, and we have given this market trend-setting products, and we are basically the one company who know how to make the professional lighting products and who always come up with the innovative products. We've been known as the premium brand for the professional lighting, as you all know about it, and we have almost bagged about 50 international awards in the different exhibitions all around the globe, in different countries and different continents. And 2020 January, we have decided to tie up our ways in India with Hi-Tech Audio Systems to give it by giving them the exclusive distribution for Claypaky in India. And we have just developed Stilos as one of our innovative product, I would say, which is based out of laser technology. So Claypaky is always been innovator and leader in rock and roll market. So early in 1970s, we have developed extra raggy fixtures for nightclubs and discotheques. Then this is a famous golden scan that we produced, the famous Alpha series, which many of the customers own it still now in India. Then we have the famous Sharpie, which everybody of us copied. Everybody copied basically from us. And then we have this K20 PI, which is amazing fixture and a complete effect and wash light. Then we stepped out into LED fixtures and LED products, making the Axcor family. Then this is Claudio, our first step towards digitalization for the after sales and serving our customers in a much better way. Then we have the tiniest member in our family, Mini B, Reflexion, and then Stilos. So this is the trend setting or the milestone products that we have given to the market. And today we are going to discuss about the Axcor family, Axcor 600 and 900 in particular. Internally, we call these products as Mammoth because these are two two most powerful products of LED spot the market could ever get. So here comes Axcor Profile 900. So Axcor Profile 900 offers in 8K and 6K. There are two variants of this product. So we'll see that what this product has to offer us. It is based out of 880 watt LED engine with custom lens solution. Two versions are available with high CRI of more than 90 and standard CRI version more than 70. More than 70 CRI version gives the lumen output of about 46,000, whereas more than 90 CRI gives the lumen output about 34,000. And they are available in 6500K color temperature and 5600K color temperature respectively. It is available with 7 degrees to 40 degrees linear zoom, focus tracking system. The color system consists of 16-bit CMY, linear CTO, and 6 color wheel, which we are going to see in the coming slides in detail. And here is the color mixing system of it.
Yeah, sorry. I want to add just something that we are talking about the CMY system. As you can see here, the CMY system is made on wheels. Why we have chosen wheels? Because normally in all the moving heads, you can find the CMY system made on flex. We have chosen wheels because normally if you use flex, you can have let me say the problem that we call color fringing. What is the color fringing? Example, when you close the beam with 2 blades, thanks to the framing system, of course, and you put, I don't know, the magenta or cyan, you can see in the beam there's a difference of colors between the center and the edge. And this is the reason why we have choose to use wheels, because in this way there's no problem with the color fringing. And of course, the system is much more accurate. Let me say you can obtain much more beautiful color, let me say.
Of course. Thank you, Riddle, for explaining in detail. So I would like to go to the next slide of explaining some more features. In this profile, we have 6 high definition interchangeable gobos, animation wheel, 4-facet rotating prism, variable soft edge frost filter, and variable flood frost, iris with multiple macros. And this is to show you that the graphic system of Axcor Profile 900. Maybe Dylan would like to explain it in much detail, better than me.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me talk about the framing system for first. The framing system is exactly the same framing system that you can find in all the Claypaky products. It's made on 4 focal plane that in this way you can close the beam thanks just one blade, because you can create the famous curtain effect, and especially in our framing system, it doesn't have the famous banana effect. What is the banana effect? Normally, when you close 2 blades really close one to the another, and you open the zoom at the maximum, you can see there's this kind of optical aberration, and you can see that the beam, you can see the banana, let me say, is not completely flat. And of course, thanks to our framing system, you can also focus the gobos when you use the framing system, because the focal plane of gobos and and the framing system is really close, and in this way you can focus also the gobos with the framing system.
With banana, you mean we are having a complete straight line without deviating on the upper side or the lower side, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So let's proceed with the next slide. So we in this part we are offering electronic linear dimmer 16-bit plus the electronic strobe. It is of course available with the framing system for focal planes that we have explained just now. Framing system is 90% rotation, 90 degrees rotation. Sorry. This is how the beam framing system in Axcor Profile 900. Dean, would you like to explain something, or should I proceed with the next slide?
You can proceed.
Okay, perfect. I think you already explained about this
Yeah.
in the previous slide. Yeah, the banana effect and the real straight line. So the protocols that we are offering here is the RDM web server and ArtNet. This particular model or this particular product, you can operate in the three modes: 900 watt, 600 watt, and 400 watt. I think Dylan, you can explain this point better than me.
Yeah. Okay. There are two modes inside the Axcor 900. You can achieve, let me say, the same power and the same, let me say, less noise than the normal use, because we can reduce the output. In this way, the fans go slowly, and you can use it also, especially for theatrical application that request a low noisy level. And I want to add just also that all the Axcor are flicker free, that you can set the how many hertz you can achieve with the engine. In this way, you cannot have this flicker effect on your camera.
Yeah, the one we have seen, which is shown me when I was in the showroom, that we can have the setting according to the camera lens and everything, so that the our product and camera have the same frequency, so that there should be no lines or no congestion in between while shooting on the television purpose and all.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the application picture that Axcor Profile 900 has been installed in Colombia's National Theatre. Approximately 10 Profile 900 have been installed over there, and they quite like the fixture. Now let's proceed with the Axcor 600 series. So we have Axcor Profile 600 in this range, and we have Axcor Wash 600 range here. So let's proceed with one by one. So let's proceed first with the Axcor Wash 600. So here I have two versions that is offered here over here: Axcor Wash 600 and Axcor Wash 600 HC, which is again the high CRI version. So the source here is 500 watt white LED engine. Versions available are, yes, standard CRI version greater than 70 and high CRI version greater than 90. Standard CRI version available with the 6500 color temperature, and high CRI version available 5600 color temperature. With, of course, you will get reduced lumens if you compare the two in the high CRI version. The front lens is approximately about 200 millimeter diameter, almost 5 inches. It is having 5 degrees to 55 degrees linear zoom, which is in the ratio of 1:10, CMY plus linear CTO, 2 overlapping color wheels with 5 colors each, motorized framing system which operates over the entire zoom range. So this product is really dynamic over the others and gives you an edge to which is having 2 overlapping color wheels as well. So framing system is indexable over 90 degrees. A smooth, flexible blade movement set to variable speed. electronic linear dimmer, 16-bit with 4 curves. Electronic strobe is really standard and really extremely fast, is 25 frames per second. It is available with the PC, Fresnel, or clear lens. Depending on your requirement, we can customize your front lens available with PC, Fresnel, or clear ones. It is aluminum and steel structure with plastic covers. So as I explained yesterday also, that in LED, in any kind of LED fixture is 60% heat and 40% light. So in order to manage that heat, we have to use good heat sink, and we prefer to use aluminum for the heat dissipation, to have the lower heat generation inside and to manage the heat very properly inside the fixture to give the long lasting results. And steel structures in somewhere to make the product more robust, and of course it all enclosed in a high quality plastic covers, and it weighs only about 33 kgs.
Yeah, I want to add something about the framing system of the Axcor Wash 600, because it's a little bit different. It's the only framing system that we have with 3 focal plane. You have two blades on the same focal planes that you can control with 1 channel, and other 2 blades that you can control with 2 separate channels. And you can rotate this framing system by 65 degrees in counterclockwise and clockwise.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So here's the installation picture in very famous, we are the official partner for this. This is Eurovision Song Contest. So we have the center stage uses almost every fixture with Claypaky. Here we have used Axcor washes 600, highest CRI versions, of course. Now we explain about the Axcor Profile 600. So this one is really a complex fixture, and we are offering in 4 versions: Axcor Profile 600, Axcor Profile 600 HC, Axcor Profile 600 ST, and Profile 600 HC ST. The source is again 500 watts white LED engine, and the versions available is standard CRI version and high CRI version. Standard CRI version again available at 6500 color temperature, which is offered again in Profile 600 and Profile 600 ST version, and high CRI version available with 5600 color temperature, and this is in Axcor Profile 600 HC high CRI version and Profile 600 HC ST. We'll see the difference between the HC and ST and HC-ST versions in the upcoming slide. The front lens diameter is about 132 mm. It is having the linear zoom of 5.3 degrees to 47.2 degrees and very precise. It is offered with the CMY plus linear CTO, 1 color wheel with 5 colors, rotating gobo wheel with 7 gobos, rotating 4-facet prism, animation wheel which is interchangeable with fixed gobo wheel, motorized framing system with 4 focal planes, framing system indexable over 90 degrees. Here's the installation picture in one of the music festivals in Italy, and behind you may be able to see that how precise is the line is using the Axcor Profile 600 in the behind of the center of the stage curtain. It is having variable frost filter, iris with multiple macros. Then it is offered with electronic linear dimmer, 16-bit with 4 curves, electronic strobe at 25 frames per second, and it weighs only 33 kgs. And about the exclusive feature which we are offering, I think Dylan, you will be able to explain about the boost function of this, and some more technical details of this product.
Okay, you can first you can compare the 600 profile with 1000 watt fixture with a discharge lamp. Thanks to the boost mode, you can increase the output about the 25%. What is the boost mode? Normally, fixed on the engine, there's a lens called fly's eye that normally is fixed on the engine. It's made like an honeycomb. We remove it from the engine, and thanks to this function that you can find in the channel parameter, when you remove it, you can obtain this 25% of output more. But of course, when you remove it, there's let me say a strong hotspot, but you increase also the output. And also, this is also the difference between all the model that we have of the 600, because normally the Profile 600 has the projection as a hotspot in the middle of the beam. For the ST means studio, the projection is completely flat. And HE means ICRI with an ICRI level up to 90. And ST is the flat version, HE is the ICRI version. And with the 600 HE, you can obtain a flat beam plus the ICRI. This is the combination between the AC version and the standard version.
So here it gives also advantage of 25% increase in the light output, which Dylan has explained perfectly about the lens system and the optical parameters here, the concern. So the Axcor Profile 600 is the perfect fit for any rental company for their touring and theater applications, or maybe TV applications as well. So 600 is having that punch which rental guys normally looking at, and it offers a lot of flexibility in terms of its features, in terms of the availability of the various versions that we are offering. If you have the theater application, then you can go for the high CRI versions. Again, high CRI versions in the studio mode and in the standard modes. So this is a really fit buy for any rental company in any of the LED product. So here we have yesterday and today we have seen how incredible and how flexible the Axcor complete family is, right from 110 watt LED source to 800 watt LED source. We have developed the fixtures in the range, complete 300 family, which is available in beam, spot and wash mode. Then we have 400 profile and spot, then 600 again with profile, available with 4 versions. Then we have wash 600 and Axcor Profile 900. So this complete family is unique, incredible, and really flexible, and it will give you much more flexibility to use it in your applications accordingly. Dylan, if you would like to give some kind of a feedback about this or short recap about this family, then it would be great for our customers.
Yeah. Okay, let's start again just to be clear. For the 600, we have four versions. Normally, the standard version is the version that it's used especially for tour, because it's really powerful and is one of the powerful moving heads in the market in its category. Of course, the HC version is much more for theater and convention, because you need an ICRI, an high quality of the white especially, and the HCST is the combination between the ICRI version and the flat beam version, the ST version, that in this way you can achieve a perfect uniform projection and an ICRI level. I want to recap also a little bit, and I hope that there are questions about the boost mode, because I know that it maybe is not really clear, but I want to repeat again what is. The boost mode function is consists in a lens that normally is fixed on the engine that is called fly eye, and when you remove it, you have the 20% more output that normally you have, that we are talking about 19,000 lumen output. You can increase about the 25% thanks to the boost mode.
Yeah, so I think it's quite clear, might be quite clear for our customers to understand how flexible this range is, and how about this boost mode, which is available only in this category of fixtures. So let's start with our question and question answer session. If you have any questions, any queries, then please write to us and we'll be able to answer it right away.
Also, if you have a question about other product that we make, not just the 600, 900.
Yeah, if you have any query related to any of our product, be it Stelos, be it Sharpie Plus, or anything, or Axcor family, then we are here at your disposal. Please let us know.
I hope that everything is clear.
Yeah, that's more important. Actually, Dylan, this event will be doing by the customers in a lag of about 10 to 20 seconds.
Okay, I think there's no more question. I don't know, maybe if something also that is not so clear.
Yeah, if you can see my contact details and Gaurav's contact details on the screen. If you have any question, anything comes up, maybe now, maybe later, then we are just a call away.
Yeah.
Okay, Dylan, I think we should wrap up. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you to everybody who has joined this event, and we'll be able to conduct more such webinars in future. So we welcome you all, and we appreciate that you can attend them as well. And if you have any feedback about it, then please write to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye. See you in the next webinar.
Bye-bye. Bye.